Hello everyone. I'm Taku. I'm in Yamaguchi Station. I am going to Ube Shinkawa. There is a little interesting place near Ube Shinkawa Station, so I will go there. JR Ube line is convenient for going from Yamaguchi to Ube Shinkawa. This is a one-car yellow train. 宇部 line is a route from Yamaguchi to Ube via Ube Shinkawa. Sanyo line and Ube line run from Yamaguchi to Ube. Sanyo line runs in a mountainous area, and Ube line runs near the sea. Both routes go to Ube City. But Ube Station, where Sanyo line and Ube line connect, is far from the center of Ube City, and Ube line runs through the center of Ube City. The station near the center of Ube City is Ube Shinkawa Station. I came to Ube Shinkawa Station. It is a station in the center of Ube City. Ube line and Anoda line run from Ube Shinkawa Station. Ube line runs once every hour, and Anoda line runs once every 2 or 3 hours. There is a bus terminal in front of the station, and Ube City bus runs to Yamaguchi Station, Yamaguchi Ube Airport and various places of Ube City. There are many apartments, hotels and izakayas around Ube Shinkawa Station. Let's go south from the station to this destination. If you walk south from the station, we can see smoke coming out of the chimney. Ube is an industrial city with many factories by the sea. Among them, Ube Industries is a company representing the industry of Ube City. This destination is ahead. Ube Industries is a leading Japanese company that produces chemical products, construction materials and cement. Both sides are Ube Industries buildings. This road looks like a private road because it is surrounded by factories, but we can walk freely because it is a public road. I walked straight from Ube Shinkawa Station to the south for about 20 minutes. This is where lime is dropped from trailers. Carry lime by trailer from the mountain, drop it here and use it at the factory. Doubles trailers are very rare in Japan and can only be seen around here. Doubles trailers cannot be run on public roads in Japan, but they are running here. I'll explain why later. The purpose of this time is not only to look at doubles trailers. The sound of the railroad crossing was heard. There is no railroad near here, but there are railroad crossings. That's the railroad crossing. One double trailer passed. This is a railroad crossing that trailers passes, not railroads. I will explain why there is this railroad crossing. The road I am standing on is a public road. The road where the doubles trailer was running is a private road. This private road is a road constructed by Ube Industries, used to transport lime by trailer from the mountains. It's like a road train in Australia. This private road is called Ube Industries Road. It is the longest private road in Japan. A railroad crossing is installed at the intersection with the public road, to prioritize the passage of trailers running on the private road. Doubles trailers that cannot run on public roads in Japan can run on this road because it is a private road. In general railroad crossings, Bars are installed only on the public road side, and no bars are installed on the railway side. However, this railroad crossing has bars on both the public road side and the private road side. After the railroad crossing sounds, bars on the public road goes down to prevent cars from entering, and then bars on the private road goes up and the trailer passes. After trailers passes, the private road bars goes down and the public road bars goes up. Trailers and trucks running on Ube Industries Road use cars from various manufacturers. Isuzu is a very famous truck and trailer manufacturer in Japan. This trailer is made by Kenworth, USA. It is very rare in Japan. This truck is made by Scania, Sweden. The Scania doubles trailer also runs here. In addition, trailers made by Mitsubishi Fuso in Japan and Volvo in Sweden seem to be running here. The trailer carrying lime from the mountain turn a little right and then a large left. After turning to the left, lime is removed from the trailer, and the lime is used at the factory. After the lime is removed, the trailer goes to the mountain to pile lime. Lime is piled up in Ube City, but it is about 30 kilometers from here to Ise. It is very interesting that Ube Industries built its own private road for about 30 kilometers from here to Ise, because no other company in Japan has such a case. Besides this railroad crossing, there are interesting places on Ube Industries Road. However, Ube Industries Road cannot be accessed without permission, so let's go to see the place from the outside. I came to a place where I could see the big bridge. This bridge is Industries Bridge. This is a big bridge in the middle of Ube Industries Road, which is a large bridge for private roads. This bridge is known as the symbol of Ube City. The bridge is about 36 meters to allow ships to pass under the bridge. Slopes from the entrance of the bridge to the highest point is slopes, so it seems to be a little difficult when climbing slopes with trailers. I came to Nagano-Nagasawa Station. I will return to Yamaguchi by train. This video introduced the attraction of Ube Industries, such as railroad crossings where doubles trailers passes and the longest private road in Japan. The places I introduced today may be a bit of a maniac sightseeing spot, but if you are interested please visit Ube City. See you next video.